Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Let's look at today's top medical news. 1 in 5 minor stroke patients face another stroke within 10 years, study finds. A new study has found that individuals who have experienced a minor stroke or a transient ischemic attack remain at an elevated risk of suffering a more severe stroke for several years following the initial event. Findings are published in JAMA. Anonymized data on 171,068 patients who experienced a minor stroke or transient ischemic attack were analyzed from hospital or community-based studies conducted across 4 continents spanning 20 countries. Khan says the findings are relevant to everyone no matter where they live in the world. The findings show that risks of a subsequent stroke are 5.9% in the first year, 12.8% within 5 years, and 19.8% within 10 years. Study reveals 2 plant-based diets show similar impact in longevity and sustainability. 2 plant-based diets were associated with similar survival benefits and low environmental impact, according to research presented today at European Society of Cardiology Preventive Cardiology 2025. In the analysis, data on food intake were collected from 11,488 participants between June 2008 and October 2010. The Planetary Health Diet Index was calculated for each participant based on their consumption of 15 food groups: whole grains, starchy vegetables, whole fruits, dairy foods, red processed meat, chicken and other poultry, eggs, fish, shellfish, nuts, non-soy legumes, soybean soy foods, added saturated and trans fat, added unsaturated oils, and added sugar and fruit juice. Adherence to the Mediterranean diet was assessed using the 14-item MEDAS score, which is based on components such as using olive oil for cooking and dressings, eating white meat and seafood over red meat, the consumption of fruits, vegetables, legumes and nuts, and low intake of high-fat dairy products, commercial baked goods and sugar-sweetened carbonated beverages. Mortality data were obtained from the National Death Index of Spain. Stool-based molecular test may enhance TB detection in adults with HIV. A new study showed that the XPERT-MTB ultra-molecular diagnostic test for stool samples, until now recommended only for children, could be established as an additional test for diagnosing tuberculosis in adults living with HIV. The results, published in the Lancet Microbe, could represent a paradigm shift in the diagnosis of the disease in this population. Researchers from the Stool4TB project proposed using a molecular test currently used on respiratory samples on stool samples. This test is already recommended for children because they have difficulty producing sputum. The research was conducted between December 2021 and August 2024 in medical centers in 3 African countries: Eswatini, Mozambique, and Uganda, and recruited 677 patients over 15 years old with HIV and suspected TB.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.